Understanding shareholders' equity, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make learning English and complex concepts easy for you. Today, we're diving into a fundamental financial term that often puzzles many: shareholders' equity. Whether you're a student, a budding entrepreneur, or just curious about finance, this video is tailored for you. Let's break down shareholders' equity into simple terms and understand why it's crucial in the world of business. At its core, shareholders' equity represents the amount of money that would be returned to shareholders if all the assets of a company were liquidated and all its debts paid off. Think of it as the residual interest in the assets of a company after deducting liabilities. In simpler terms, if a company decided to sell off everything it owns and pays off all it owes, whatever remains is the shareholders' equity. This concept is crucial because it shows the net worth or book value of a company from the shareholders' perspective. It includes things like the money initially invested by the shareholders, any retained earnings that the company has chosen to reinvest in the business rather than pay out as dividends, and other reserves. Understanding shareholders' equity is vital for several reasons. Firstly, it gives investors an idea of the company's financial health and stability. A positive shareholders' equity indicates that a company has enough assets to cover its liabilities, which is a good sign for investors. On the other hand, negative equity could signal financial distress. Moreover, shareholders' equity can be a key factor in determining a company's ability to distribute dividends to its shareholders. It also influences the company's borrowing capacity, as a healthy equity position can make it easier to obtain loans at favorable terms. Calculating shareholders' equity is straightforward. The formula is shareholders' equity equals total assets, total liabilities. This equation highlights the relationship between assets, liabilities, and equity. Total assets include everything a company owns, such as cash, inventory, property, and equipment. Total liabilities encompass all that a company owes, including loans, accounts payable, and mortgages. The difference between these two figures gives us the shareholders' equity. Shareholders' equity is typically made up of various components, including common stock, the value of the initial shares issued by the company; retained earnings, profits that have been reinvested into the company rather than distributed as dividends; additional paid-in capital, extra money paid by shareholders above the par value of the stock; treasury shares, shares that the company has bought back from investors. Understanding these components can provide deeper insights into a company's financial strategies and how it values its shareholders. We hope this video has demystified shareholders' equity for you and highlighted its importance in the business world. Remember, shareholders' equity is not just a number on a balance sheet. It represents the true value that shareholders hold in a company. Whether you're an investor, a student, or just curious, understanding this concept is key to grasping the financial health of a business. Thank you for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more simplified financial concepts. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.